Hi friends, welcome to my channel Jigna's Classes. Today we will cover the poem Harna Kabhi Nahi, Never Lose. We should never lose our hope when we start any work. We can get so many obstacles, but we should not lose our confidence. So it is a 5th grade poem of CBSE syllabus. Let's start. चलते चलो रुकना तुम कभी नहीं. चलते चलो means keep on going. Generally चलना means to walk. Walk continuously. रुकना तुम कभी नहीं. You should never stop. आगे यूं ही बढ़ते चलो हारना तुम कभी नहीं. Just you move ahead, go ahead continuously. Never lose. हारना तुम कभी नहीं. Never lose your confidence. बनकर मिसाल करना कमाल, भूलना कभी नहीं. बनकर मिसाल. मिसाल means to be example. So बनकर मिसाल means you should be an example for others. करना कमाल. So one can be an example by doing hard work only. So karna kamal means you can do some extraordinary work. Here it is given meaning. Kamal means adbhut karya, some unique work, extraordinary work. So by doing one extraordinary work, you can be an example for others. Bhulna kabhi nahi. You should never forget that. To be an example, we have to do hard work. थामनी कमान देश की, थकना तुम कभी नहीं. थामनी means पकड़नी. We should hold. Kaman means controlling power. A kind of, generally kaman we use for horse riding. There is one thread kind of thing. We have to control that to control horse. So if we want to do something good for our country, we have to hold that controlling power by doing hard work. Thakna tum kabhi nahi. We should not, or you should not get tired by doing hard work to do some good work for our country. Manzil, below ja dot is there, so the pronunciation is za. Manzil bahut dur hai. Manzil means destination, where we want to go. बहुत दूर है. It is very far. Our destination is very far. रुकना तुम कभी नहीं. Never stop until you reach your destination, your target. चलते चलो रुकना तुम कभी नहीं. Move on continuously. Never stop. आगे यूं ही बढ़ते चलो. Move on just like this continuously. हारना तुम कभी नहीं. Never lose your confidence or never lose. ठान लो means some निश्चय करना. Here the means to decide firmly. कर लो प्रण. प्रण means दृढ़ निश्चय, means firm determination. So by firm determination you should decide something. रुकोगे नहीं. You will never stop. झुकोगे नहीं. झुकना means to surrender. So you should take firmly any decision that you will not stop, you will not lose. खुद पर करो विश्वास इतना. One should have that much confidence on ourselves. डगमगाओ कभी नहीं. डगमगाना means you don't have that balance to move on, to move ahead. So डगमगाना, here the meaning is कदम ठीक से ना पड़ना, means we don't have balance of our body to walk properly. So we should never be afraid and we should always have full confidence on ourselves. बढ़ते रहो, move on. बढ़ते रहो, move on. राह से हटना नहीं. We should not forget our main target. Rah means here not the road, but here the meaning is our manzil, our destination, our aim. So we should keep on moving towards our target. हो राह कितनी भी कठिन. Rah means here road or path. Our path can be very difficult. कठिन means difficult. हारना तुम कभी नहीं. Never lose. Though your path to reach your destination can be difficult. चलते चलो रुकना तुम कभी नहीं. Go ahead, never stop. आगे यूं ही बढ़ते चलो. Just like this you continuously go ahead. हारना तुम कभी नहीं. Never lose. जो रुक गए बीच राह तो थम जाओगे. If you stop in between your target, थम जाओगे means you will stop forever. फिर कभी साहस तुम जुटा न पाओगे. साहस means courage. So once you stop in between your target, you will never have that courage to move on. कदम सदा बढ़ाते रह. Always keep on moving your step. मंजिल पा जाओगे. You will get your target. You will reach to your destination. हिम्मत और विश्वास से. हिम्मत means courage. विश्वास means confidence. With your courage and confidence, पथ पार कर जाओगे. Path means road, rasta. You will pass your tough road. You will pass your difficult journey. चलते चलो रुकना तुम कभी नहीं. Move on. You should never stop. आगे यूं ही बढ़ते चलो. Just keep on moving. हारना तुम कभी नहीं. Never lose. So it is a poem about hard work. It is a poem about courage. So हारना तुम कभी नहीं. Let's start its question answer. First question. कवि के अनुसार मनुष्य को क्या बनना चाहिए और क्यों? As per poet, कवि means poet. What should we try to be and why? Answer, first answer. कवि के अनुसार मनुष्य को मिसाल बनना चाहिए. As per poet, a person should be an example. Misal means example, should be an example for others. क्योंकि because उन्हें आगे चलकर देश की कमान थामनी है. Because later moving ahead, that person or we should handle or control our country. देश की कमान means that controlling power. So we should try to be an example for others, because later we have to handle our country. Second question. कवि ने ऐसा क्यों कहा है? ठान लो, कर लो प्रण, रुकोगे नहीं, झुकोगे नहीं. So the poet has said, ठान लो, decide firmly that you will never stop, you will never surrender. Answer. जीवन की राह पर आगे चलते चलते हमें बहुत परेशानियाँ मिलेगी. So जीवन की राह पर, when we move ahead, when we will continuously walking on the path of our life, we have to face so many परेशानियाँ, difficulties, obstacles. उन परेशानियों को देखकर हमें अपनी मंजिल को पाने की राह छोड़नी नहीं है. Seeing that difficulties or obstacle, we should not leave the path of our destination. We should not stop. वी शुड नॉट लीव द पाथ, छोड़नी नहीं है, द पाथ वेयर वी आर गोइंग, मंजिल, आवर डेस्टिनेशन, और न ही उनसे डर कर अपनी राह छोड़कर भागना है, एंड वी शुड नॉट बी अफ्रेड ऑफ दैट ऑब्स्टेकल, एंड वी शुड नॉट रन अवे फ्रॉम आवर पाथ, छोड़कर भागना है, वी शुड नॉट रन अवे फ्रॉम आवर पाथ, seeing the obstacle on that road. So it is a very good poem. बल्कि इंस्टेड हमें तो उन परेशानियों का मुकाबला हिम्मत से कर आगे बढ़ना है. इंस्टेड वी हैव टू फेस दैट obstacles or problems हिम्मत से, with courage. We have to fight against that obstacle with courage, and we have to move ahead. आगे बढ़ना है. इसलिए कवि ने कहा है, ठान लो कर लो प्रण. That's why the poet has said, decide firmly. We will get so many obstacles, but we have to face that challenges firmly. Next question. कवि ने किस पर विश्वास करने को कहा है और क्यों? So the poet has told it to put trust on whom and why. Answer. कवि ने खुद पर विश्वास करने को कहा है. The poet has told to put trust on ourselves. खुद means ourselves. क्योंकि because जब तक हम खुद पर विश्वास नहीं करेंगे तब तक हमारे कदम डगमगाते रहेंगे. So if we will not put trust on ourselves, we will be afraid. Our steps will not go straight on the road at that time. So if we have confidence, trust on ourselves, we will never afraid to go on difficult path. Next question. कठिन राह, डिफ़िकल्ट पाथ, किसे कहा गया है? सो टू विच स्टेट पोएट हैज़ टोल्ड अस अबाउट डिफ़िकल्ट पाथ, और मनुष्य इसे किस प्रकार पार कर सकता है, एंड हाउ अ पर्सन कैन पास दैट डिफ़िकल्ट पाथ. हाउ कैन अ पर्सन pass that difficult path. Answer. कठिन राह जीवन को कहा गया है. Difficult path is our life, journey of our life. जीवन means our life. और मनुष्य इसे हिम्मत और विश्वास से पार कर सकता है, and a person can pass that difficult path with courage, himmat, courage, and vishwas, confidence, trust on ourselves. Next question. Fifth one. कविता में कवि ने पाठकों को क्या सीख दी है? पाठक means reader. So in this poem, what lesson is given by a poet to the reader? सीख देना means to teach, to give some lesson. कवि ने पाठकों को वह सीख दी है कि हमेशा चलते रहना चाहिए. So the poet has taught us that we should continuously move ahead, walk, या किसी भी परिस्थिति में रुकना नहीं है. We should never stop whatever the situation can be. So we should continuously move ahead, move on towards our goal, our destination, and we should never stop from that. So it is a very good poem teaching how to keep confidence on ourselves. Thank you. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Please share with your friends. Thank you.